sometimes you gotta be like more. It's better when it's realer, you know, like. Guys, this is your man Maxey, the Real Estate Max, and I'm here with my man Uncle AJ behind the scenes, and he's out here shooting some great content for me, for my Airbnbs and some of my rental properties out here, and doing some interviews as well, videotaping that, doing a great job. And if you ever need video editing, hit my man up, Uncle AJ. Peace.
Phoenix, back to New York I go.